Hey guys, this is Ryan with Beyond Microgreens, and this is another episode with Cooking with Ryan. Now today we have a special guest, Eva, and she is actually the director of a nonprofit, IFA. Now Eva, what is IFA?
IFA stands for the International Functional Foods Association, and we're a community-based educational platform teaching people about functional foods.
Very nice. Now today we're going to make a Greek salad with broccoli booster, our most important star of the show, and just an easy way to get all those micronutrients into your diet. So, Eva, what is the origin of this salad?
So first off, I have to say I'm 100% Greek. I grew up going to Greece every summer as a kid, so I've eaten this salad my whole life.
Wow.
And in Greece, you call it a choriatiki salata, and chorio means village, so this is technically the villager salad. And where all of the ingredients come from is they just took everything that they had readily available and it turned into the Greek salad. So that is cucumber, tomato, onion, pepper, feta, and Kalamata olives.
Awesome. And so what I'm noticing here is there's not a lot of protein. How does that, do they eat a lot of veggies? What is their, diet?
So it's a traditional Mediterranean diet. They eat a lot of vegetables, a lot of fish, beans for protein, a lot of really good fats like olive oil. Yeah.
Sweet. All right, so we'll get cooking now. So we'll start off with the cucumber. So Ava, if you want to cut that up. This is the cucumber right here. And fun fact, composed of 96% water. So it's a really good way to hydrate, effective way. So we'll get that cutting up there. And Ava, what is your favorite ingredient in this dish?
My favorite ingredient is the feta.
Okay.
I put feta on nearly everything I eat.
Yeah, awesome. So now we'll do the Kalamata olives.
Awesome.
And so we'll get those going. We gotta get a delivery in. A special delivery. Oh my gosh, look at this. It just appeared. Look at that. Amazing. We'll open this up. Okay? Kalamata olives right there. So we'll throw those in there.
These are the most traditional olives in Greece.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Awesome. And do you like, I know there's green olives. Do you know what the difference is? Or I guess do you like black olives or green olives? I'm not a big fan of green olives, so I'm glad there's black olives.
I love the brown Kalamata olives. Those are my favorite, and those are the most prevalent olive trees that you'll see in Greece.
That's pretty sweet. All right, so now we'll do the green pepper. There we go, right here. Amazing stuff. And that's high in vitamin C and a good source of fiber. So we'll put that in there. All of these ingredients are really amazing health benefits. So I'm really excited to eat some of this. So got that in there. So now we'll do the red onion. So cut that up, please. And this is full of sulfur compounds, and which protects your body from ulcers. So another great benefit of an awesome vegetable.
So colorful.
Yeah, it is. It's really awesome. Yeah. So now we'll do a tomato. We'll just throw those in there, and that is actually beneficial for the skin. I didn't know that, and also it protects against sunburns. Never knew that. I think that would be really helpful for all of us, just because I feel like I always get sunburned. Ava, do you use sunscreen at all? I mean, I feel like I try to, but
I do not use sunscreen, but when I do use sunscreen, I typically try to use some sort of natural base.
Fair enough. Or you just use some tomatoes.
Sunscreen.
Maybe that'll help.
Rub the tomatoes all over
yeah, I don't know.
your skin.
That'll help. Maybe just bathe in tomato juice.
Tomato paste.
Yeah, something like that. I don't know. And then the last ingredient, well, one of the last ingredients is feta. And this is a good source of calcium, which can benefit bone health.
And another interesting fact is that in Greece, feta is traditionally made out of sheep's milk, and it's hard to get feta in the U.S. that is made out of sheep's milk. So this one that you traditionally get in the supermarket is made out of cow's milk.
Okay.
So there's a much different flavor.
Interesting. Okay. Awesome. So then we'll put the broccoli booster in here. This is the star of the show, as always. Love to see it. And 100% freeze-dried microgreens. Just easy way to get those veggies into your diet. So we recommend a teaspoon. Just throw it in there. There we go. And then we'll put the dressing in there as well.
The dressing's very simple. It's just a little bit of olive oil, more olive oil than anything else.
Ooh, nice.
And then a little bit of red wine vinegar.
Interesting. Oh, very nice.
So more olive oil than vinegar.
Yeah.
And then oregano.
Sweet.
You get the saltiness in the salad from
Yeah,
the cheese.
yeah.
So you don't really even need salt.
Okay, awesome. Well, it's time to try, guys. Look at this. Wow. Okay. All right, Ava. I'll let you go first since you're the guest.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Give it a rating.
Mix it up a little
Our
bit.
guests always
Okay.
love the rating, so
I'm gonna try to get a little bit of
yeah, it's
everything
tough.
in
Yeah,
there.
it's
It's
actually-
tough. It's
yeah,
tough.
yeah.
It might need 2 bites.
Yeah, you might have to do a 2-bite review. How was the first bite?
Delicious. I
Okay.
got olive.
Okay, olive. I saw, I think, a pepper in there as well.
I got cucumber.
Yeah, okay. What are you thinking?
9.7.
Wow, that is nice. That's
And the
that's
only reason
promising.
why I don't give it a higher rating
Yeah.
is because of the feta. I like the sheep milk
Right,
feta
yeah.
versus
Yeah, we have the Americanized
the
feta,
Americanized
yeah.
version.
Yeah, we need to get some shipped in here right now. All right, so let me try this. Let's see. I'll get a tomato. I'll get the feta. I think I can get everything. Wow, this is amazing. Okay,
You got it.
cheers. I definitely get that feta, that dressing and everything like that. Super fresh tomatoes. I already can feel my skin like healing from sunburn. Amazing stuff. I would say, I would say it's about 9.5. Amazing. I think the one thing that we need to add more of, star of the show, broccoli booster. Look at that. I think we need to just like chuck some more in here. Oh my gosh, look at that. Now I think that'll improve it.
Powerhouse salad.
Yeah, let's try it again. Actually, let's just go. I think that extends it to like 9.8 or 9.9. That's, what do you think?
So good.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Thanks so much, guys. Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah.
Everything's running.
I love us
This
right
is
now.
amazing.
This is so funny.
Also,
right
my
now.
bite, I got like 1 pepper, and that's all I had.
Yeah, I
was
just
like,
had
I
one.
was like, oh god. Like, oh, whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, okay. Step aside.